And today we're playing Floppy Birds, not Flappy. Floppy is the exact same thing. It's just a parody of Flappy Birds. So here I go. Okay. What the fuck? What? What is this? It flies like a retard. What? I only got two. Oh, frick's sake. Oh my goodness. I just want. Fuck. Okay, take this slowly. Yes! Oh, scheiße. Oh, for fuck. This is worse than Flappy Birds. Look, when I tap up, he goes down all the way. Oh. My highest is 2. 2. Oh, I at least have to make it 3. Come on. Oh, 4. That's respectable. What? Oh, my best is 4. It said best was 3. It's 4. It went. This game's lying. Wow, man, this game's lying. See, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna beat 4. Okay, go. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on, you can be it. 1. Oh. Please show me if you've got more than 60 or more than 10. Show me on Floppy, not Flappy. Flappy Birds is much easier than this. Oh, I got 3. Oh, I got 4. That's respectful. No, you saw that. Come on. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It's not even funny. Is this worse than Flappy Birds? He goes when you tap up, he goes down really quickly. But on Flappy Birds, it takes him a while. Come on, Marcel, you could do this. You're the best at games. Not really, but you're really good, okay? Go, 3, 2. See, he can fly probably there, but when you start moving, he's shit. This is the worst game. I'm deleting it as soon as I finish this. I'm deleting it. I don't care. I'm deleting this game. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. You're the master. You're the master. 3. I'll go 3. If I get 5, I'm ending the video. Let's put it like that, okay? I'm not gonna... Whose idea was to create floppy birds when there's already a Flappy Birds? This game, Flappy Birds, bad enough, but this. What is this? Come on. Come on, I can do this. I made it possible. Oh man, I'm not even doing this on purpose, man. I'm trying to try. Okay. Oh shh. I am so close. I am so close to just picking up the tablet, removing the SIM card, and breaking the tablet. I'll keep the SIM cards because I can easily get a new one. So yeah. Game is so annoying. I'm just gonna keep trying and trying and trying and trying and trying till I get to number 5. Then fuck! Oh shit! I spat all over my screen. Oh wow! I wanna see who created this game. I'm gonna stab his eyes out and eat them. Oh shit! Oh, cakes. Oh shit! Oh, damn. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay, I can do this. No, never mind. I can do this. I'm just gonna keep trying and trying till I complete this game and I can go home and everyone will be happy. Okay? So you're gonna be with me for a long time, mister. Oh, I got number 4. If I got that 5th one, you could have left. This YouTube video would have been finished. But no, I'm just gonna keep trying till bitches give me what I want. I'm just gonna keep trying. See, I'm gonna keep going. You're never going home till I've got to number 5. You're never going home. That's all I'm saying. Fuck's sake. This is my last try, I don't care. Then you can go home. Oh, kill him. Oh shit. Anyway, that was Floppy Birds. I spat over my screen again. Oh no, I didn't mean to start. I was just taking the spit out of my screen. This game's annoying. It's worse than Flappy Birds. Yes, it is. I recommend you to not download this game. This game is for people that look like that guy and that are talented at Flappy Birds. Okay, See, look. If you look at the beginning, look. He's flying properly, he can fly, see? He can just flip around. But when I tap it, he falls down. See, this is the exact reason that video games are fake. They should make video games more realistic. Realistic. I said realistic, like, not GTA realistic, but really realistic. This bird should be able to fly through those cones, them tunnels and stuff. But no, see, he's flying properly. When I go, look, he falls down like a retard. When I try to get through this, okay, I got through the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. See, he dies. He dies. That's why parodies of games and games like this make people's minds corrupted. Okay, that's enough for me. This game has really pissed me off. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and peace.